friends. Today, I will tell you about one of the most fascinating destinations on the island of Ischia, Mount Epomeo. I had the opportunity to visit this wonderful place and film it both on the ground and from the air. Get ready to be amazed by the spectacular landscapes and interesting stories. So, if you find yourself on the island of Ischia, don't miss this wonderful attraction. I guarantee you won't regret visiting. It's worth every effort. Mount Epomeo is the highest point on the island, standing at 789 meters. It offers an incredible panoramic view of the entire island and the Tyrrhenian Sea. Although it is not a very high mountain, the hiking trails are full of surprises and challenges, providing you with an unforgettable experience. How to get here? To reach Mount Epomeo from Ischia, you can take a minibus from the resorts of Forio or Casamicciola. These buses are available from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and the journey takes approximately 30 minutes. Another option, which we chose, is to rent a car for 25 euros per day. This option is more comfortable as you can drive directly to the base of the mountain, where there is a parking area with a small souvenir shop and refreshment stand. Parking costs 4 euros for the entire day. The hiking trail to the Epomeo Museum.
Mergem la munte, în vârful insulei Ischia. Am înțeles că de acolo avem o panoramă asupra insulei și suntem curioși să o vedem și noi.
The hiking trail to the top of the mountain is 1.5 kilometers and takes about 20 to 30 minutes to complete, depending on your physical condition. In my opinion, it's a moderate trail, and with a few breaks, you'll manage to reach the summit.
Ai obosit deja?
The trail is very scenic, and you'll definitely enjoy it.
Uite ce țel avea.
Overview of Mount Epomeo. Mount Epomeo is a destination that uniquely combines spectacular nature, history, and spirituality. Whether you're a hiking enthusiast, a history buff, or simply looking for a peaceful place to connect with nature, Mount Epomeo has something special to offer everyone. It's a place where you can relax and get a unique perspective of the island of Ischia, with plenty of opportunities for beautiful, Instagram-worthy photos. At the summit of Mount Epomeo, we met Renata, a tour guide in Ischia, who was very kind and provided us with some interesting information about the mountain and the positioning of the resorts in Ischia.
It's very windy today. I'm on the top of the mountain, We are on Monte Epomeo. Epomeo comes from a Greek way to say epopon, and that means I look around, all around the island.
Yes.
And we are at 789 meters on sea level. From here we can see all the island. And on this side, the west side, we have Forio, one of the 6 municipalities of the island, the biggest one. And in the other side, this is the north side of the island, we can see 𝗠cznie𝗂, the smallest municipality of the island. But it is very important because there the ancient Greek people built the first town in the Mediterranean Sea. 𝗠cznie𝗂 was the name. And there is a museum that you can visit there in 𝗠cznie𝗂. And there is the mushroom. It is
the famous place.
A stone in the water, a great stone, like this stone, that you can find only here on the island of Ischia, all over the world. And this is the name is the mushroom. This stone in 𝗠cznie𝗂.
Chitara Beach.
Lighthouse, and now it's empty.
Why Romanian people must visit the Ischia?
You can find everything here: mountain, sea, thermal sources. You can have bath in the water. There is a bay in 𝗪 where you find warm water, 90 grad, with seawater that go mixed together, and you can have a free bath there. Cold here. In winter it's very nice, and in summer in the night. There is a restaurant and a bar too. You can drink something in the warm water. It's very nice. There is a castle, Aragonese, very nice.
Very nice.
Lots of pets that you can walk, thermal gardens. I don't remember, there are so many things.
We will see. Thank you very much.
It's very beautiful. You can go underwater. We have a lot of beautiful and big fish too.
Like in Egypt.
Yeah, no, they are different fish. Not so many colors, but very, very pretty.
So you are?
Renata
from Ischia. You are tour guide?
Yes.
Thank you very much. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
The Epomeo Museum. A lesser known but truly fascinating spot on Mount Epomeo is the small Epomeo Museum. Inside, ancient spaces dedicated to the spiritual retreat of hermits, and for a short period in the 1500s, of Clarice nuns, have been carefully reconstructed. Here, you will see numerous period tools and valuable evidence of rural life on the island of Ischia. Chiesa di San Nicola. Also, at the summit of Mount Epomeo, near the small museum, is a charming little church, Chiesa di San Nicola. This historic building dates back to the 15th century and was carved directly into the mountain's rock. The interior of the church is simple but remarkably tranquil, offering visitors a perfect place for reflection and prayer. Chiesa di San Nicola is definitely a must visit when you are at Mount Epomeo. La Grotta Monte Epomeo Restaurant.
care se face foame sau sete, poți veni aici să servești ceva.
La Grotta Monte Epomeo restaurant offers traditional Italian cuisine and a variety of options for snacks and drinks in a rustic setting with an impressive panoramic view. This concludes my travel guide for today. I hope you found this information useful if you decide to plan your vacation on the island of Ischia, Italy. If you enjoyed my video, don't forget to give it a like or share your experiences and suggestions in the comments section. Subscribe to my channel for more exciting travel content. See you next time and happy travels!